Welcome to this tutorial. How to check browsing history on a Wi-Fi router. Have you ever wondered what websites have been visited on your home network? Maybe you're a parent wanting to keep an eye on your kids' online activities. In this video, we'll unravel the secrets of your Wi-Fi router and show you steps for how to check browsing history on a Wi-Fi router. Let's jump right in and unlock the secrets of your Wi-Fi router together. Click on the Windows Start icon at the bottom left. Click on the gear icon of Settings to open it. Click on the Network and Internet option from the Settings window. Scroll down to the Advanced Network Settings section. Click on the View Hardware and Connection Properties link. Check and copy the digit value written in front of Default Gateway from the list. Close the Settings window and open your web browser. Paste the copied IP address in the URL bar and press the Enter key on your keyboard. Write the username and password of your router and click on the Login at the bottom. Now, you have to find the log details. Your log's layout may be different as it depends on the router manufacturer's website design. I'm going to click on this system menu from the left panel. From the sub-menu list, click on the log menu. Now, you will find a list of your browsing history. See, this wasn't hard at all. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our channel.